Good afternoon, friends. Abhay Utpat here. Today we are going to see the next lecture from the subject Plastic Engineering, chapter number 8, Applications of Plastic. So, in this lecture we are going to see the applications of plastic in medical sector. So, as you know, friends, plastic is one of the most commonly used material in the medical industry. In day by days you have seen the use of plastic in the medical industry has increased. So let us see some of the glimpses. So it is most essential part of the modern medical industry. Without the use of plastic material, the modern healthcare would not be possible. The most innovative procedures in the medical industry involves the use of plastic, and you have also seen it. The innovative plastic in the modern healthcare industry had gradually increased over the last decade, which I was explaining few seconds before, and it is largely used for different purposes in the medical industry. Its different uses and applications have helped in enhancing the patient's safety, making the procedure simple, and incorporating the use of cheap medical equipment for best on time use. So as you know, friends, if you go inside any of the hospital, so starting from the first point up to the last point of operation theater, you will observe there are number of parts, number of tools, number of equipments, medicines, supporting things everywhere. If you see, majority parts are covered or majority parts are made from the plastic material. So that's why use of plastic in medical industry is very important invention, you can say. In old days, syringes were the syringes for saline. I am talking about the syringes for saline. Nowadays they are made up of plastic. You can't imagine up to what extent the use of plastic has been increased into the medical sector. So as it is mentioned, in addition to that, use of plastic has greatly benefited the medical industry in the terms of decrease in the medical expenses, transferable diseases, and pain management. Manufacturing the numerous disposable equipment used extensively in the medical field. This is one of the very important thing, disposable equipments. Otherwise it would have been not possible. If instead of plastic other disposable equipment would have been used, it was very critical thing in medical sector. You are observing a patient undergone a serious operation, how much kind of disposable things are there. So all these are made up of use and through plastic, which is recyclable. So that's why medical industry or medical sector and plastic, it is a very important tie-up, you can say. And because of invention of this plastic, different types of plastic, it becomes easy for doctors and nurses to handle all these equipment smoothly for betterment and for making the patient cure earlier. The most commonly used disposable materials, which I was explaining, injections. Old days, the syringes were used and they were kept in boiling water, and then again they were reused. Just I am talking about 10-20 years back. But from almost from 2 decades, use and throw syringes are used. So it is available in 2 milli, 3 milli, 5 milli. So injections are complete body part is made up of plastic except the syringe, and that is use and throw. Blood bags, you are observing number of blood donation camps where the bags are made up of plastic. Again, if you go inside the human body, you'll find the heart wall. Then manufacturing of thin and lightweight glass used in the optical glasses. So almost you have seen many people around, you are observing with the specs. So the specs which you are observing, that is not actually glass. Nowadays it is a plastic. So optical glasses, your weight glass used in the lightweight glass used in the optical glasses. So I was explaining, instead of glass, this lightweight plastic is used by providing sufficient focal length. Again, if you go in further details of the optical use, lenses, people are not using the specs, they are using the lenses and 100% the lens are made up of this plastic material, which is safe to your eyes. Manufacturing of prosthetic hips and knees. Now we are talking about orthopedic. So you have seen many of the parts of human body, including knees, hips, bones, and it gives flexibility to the comfort without harming the joints. So manufacturing of medical containers, which are used to great extent to plastic containers, plastic bags, and vials and pills bottles. So along with the orthopedic parts of the human body, number of parts that pill bottles and other plastic bags which carries the medicines, which carries liquid, solid, powder type of medicine, all these are made up of plastic. Now next, widely used for medical implants due to properties of being lightweight. So lightweight is very important thing in case of medical sector. That's why plastic uses in the medical sector up to the higher extent, compatible and lower in the cost as compared to the metal glasses. So I was talking about the this use of plastic in the metal glasses. Actually, wherever possible, the optical glasses as well as other types of use of the glasses are also replaced by plastic sheets and other things. So mainly I was talking about the specs and lenses in the upper paragraph. Here any type of glass is replaced by plastic transparent sheet, including specs, lenses, and any other use. This I was talking about. And if you compare, the weight of the plastic will be very less as compared to the glass. Plastic containers and its importance in the medical industry. So again we are coming back to the storing. Wide use of plastic in manufacturing of disposable, lightweight, and low cost material in medical industry. The plastic containers and bottles are used for all kinds of medical procedure across the world. Polypropylene vials, jars, liquid bottles, medical pills bottles are most common kind prescription packaging used in medical industry. The use of plastic in the production of these containers helps in cost management, and its unbreakable property makes it easy to safe use. So we are going to carry the medicines globally. So transportation, storage, along with its light in weight. So it helps the medical industry for easy movement of the this medical material, including the medicines. That's why the manufacturing of plastic jars, bottles, as per the requirement of medical industry, has been increased nowadays. These are some of the pictures. You see left hand side some of the syringes, and you're observing small many of the use and throw parts. So I need not tell you if you have seen the hospitals. Right hand side second figure, the saline bottles, syringe, pipe, and other things. Now this third picture shows MRI scanning equipment. See the body parts and other things, everything is made up of plastic. So if it would have been made up of metal, it would have been costlier, manufacturing would have been difficult, not impossible, but it would have been difficult. But use of plastic in such equipments makes easy to handle, easy to operate. Again some of the bottles and syringes are shown in fourth picture. So I was talking about movement and transportation of the medical. See these pills you are observing. Any type of medical prescription, if you go in the medical shop, the cover in which your pills are packed, that is plastic. Forget about bottles, but all types of prescriptions which is there in pills and tablets, that is plastic, which makes it easy package. It is transferred again, transparent plus light in weight and easy for packing, so that it will globally it is globally accepted. And use of plastic in this medical sector is a kind of invention, we can say, which makes the life better in case of medical sector. Sixth picture, some of the equipments are shown in operation theater, and if you see, excluding some of the parts, more than 70% parts they are made up of plastic. So that's why use of plastic in the medical sector is a very important uh, invention, you can say, and without use of plastic in the medical material, we can't imagine the life in the medical sector. And nowadays you are observing, day by day the number of patients are increasing. By here and there are number of viruses and other types of diseases, and you are observing the number of disposable material in case of patient, otherwise it would not have been possible without plastic. That's why use of plastic material in the medical sector is very important, and plastic finds very important, and the priority based application in the medical sector. A paragraph may be asked to you, or a question may be asked, what are the applications of plastic in medical? I repeat once again, this is again kind of general explanation. Looking at these PPTs, you take an idea, you can write your 1.5 or 2 pages about a short note on applications of plastic in the medical sector. So it may be asked as a sub question, it may be asked as a short note. So as far as figures etc are concerned, we can just show schematic bottle and syringe etc, and in that way you need not draw high quality pictures like which are shown here. Schematic representation you can show, and the question may be asked for 4 or 6 marks. So this is about applications of plastic in medical sector. So now from this topic, applications of plastic, almost all parts are covered. Last point is remaining, that is application of plastics in agriculture. So in the next lecture we are going to cover applications of plastic in agriculture sector. Thank you.